First and one of the best plugins to increase WordPress site speed is WP Optimize. This all-in-one WordPress performance plugin contains all the tools for caching, minification, database cleanup, and image compression too. This performance plugin can take your website's speed scores to a whole new level. This plugin can help you remove post revisions from your database, eliminate render blocking resources, disable transients and pingbacks, optimize your JS and CSS, and lots more. There is a free version available in the WordPress repository, but there are pro plans starting at $39 per year, which go all the way up to $149 per year. If you are on a budget, then WP Optimize is the best plugin which you can get for WordPress right now. Hi there everyone, I am Naman from Explorers of Fun, and today we are talking about the best WordPress performance plugins to increase your WordPress site speed. Subscribe to this channel now for more WordPress and blogging tips just like this. Let's start right now. So the second plugin on my list is Optimole. Optimole is the best image compression service for WordPress available for free right now. This plugin has a very neat and clean interface, and there's a free version too. With Optimole, you can scale your images down to the right resolution, compress your images to a big level. Also, you can lazy load your images so that your visitors only see it when they encounter the images. This can greatly impact page load times. The best part with Optimole is that it serves your website's images through its own built-in CDN, which ensures blazing fast speeds on your website pages. The free version of Optimole can be used on a website which receives less than 5,000 visits every month. The pricing for the Pro plan starts at $29 per month, and it depends upon the level of traffic which you get. I have links down in the description to all the tools and plugins which I mentioned in this video in case you want to check them out. So the third plugin on our list is WP Rocket. WP Rocket, just like WP Optimize, is another all-in-one WordPress performance plugin with tools for caching, minifying, database, and so on. WP Rocket probably has the best interface among all the tools which I am going to be mentioning in this video. Also, it's very easy to set up and use, which is very helpful for beginners just starting out with their websites. The best part is that they have an extensive amount of documentation and one of the best support in the WordPress industry, so that you can resolve your issues and learn things about the plugin very easily. Along with that, one feature which I liked a lot was instant speed optimization. What that does is, just upon installing WP Rocket on your WordPress website, it will make it much faster than it was before by applying recommended settings. I have a full tutorial on using WP Rocket with your WordPress website, and it's somewhere over here. Now, WP Rocket isn't a free plugin, it's a premium plugin, and the pricing starts at $49 per year and goes till $250 per year. There is no free version available in the WordPress repository. So the fourth plugin on our list is Auto Optimize, which is a 100% free WordPress caching and performance plugin. Auto Optimize, just like WP Rocket and WP Optimize, has tools for HTML compression, minifying, JS and CSS optimization, fonts optimization, and so on. The support of this free plugin is fantastic too, and the developer is very prompt in answering all your questions. Now, the cons to this plugin are that it does not have the best interface on the list, and second, that it has too many options which beginners might find tough while setting up. As for the pricing, Auto Optimize is 100% free, and you can download it from the WordPress repository right now. By the way, if you have been liking this video till now, then give it a thumbs up, and if you've been loving it, give it a sub. Now let's move on. So the fifth plugin on our list is another free forever plugin, and this is developed by WP Rocket. It is called Lazy Load. Now, as the name suggests, what it does is that it lazy loads images, iframes, and optimizes YouTube videos for better page load times on your website. For those of you who are unaware, lazy loading means that the plugin would only display the video or image when a user scrolls till that part. If the user hasn't scrolled till that image, the image won't be loading, which can greatly impact loading speeds of your pages. The plugin is 100% free, as I told you, and it's available on the WordPress.org plugin repository, and you can download it right now. The sixth plugin is another free forever plugin, and this time it comes from Google itself. This is called the AMP plugin. AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages. What this plugin helps you do is that it helps you enable AMP on your website so that your pages load very fast on mobiles within milliseconds. Using the AMP plugin, you can ensure that your website is optimized for the Google Page Experience update which has launched recently. The plugin sounds too good to be true, but what are its cons? So the cons to this plugin are some serious ones. So the first con is that you won't be able to use ads on the pages on which you have AMP enabled. This can lead to significantly less revenue from AdSense and other ad networks. The second con to this is that it removes all the flashy and good design elements from your web page and makes it plain so that it can load very quickly for mobile users. It's your personal choice whether you want to enable AMP on your site or not. Out of all the plugins which I told you right now, the best combination to go forward with would be to use WP Optimize along with Optimol, which ensures that your website's pages load quickly because of file and image optimization. Apart from the plugins which I mentioned just right now, some other honorable mentions would be Perf Matters, Smush and WP Super Cache. Perf Matters, just like WP Rocket, is a premium all-in-one WordPress performance plugin. Smush is a freemium image optimization service for WordPress. It has tons of features packed with a very beautiful interface. The con to this plugin is that it isn't as effective as Optimol in its free version in compressing images. And WP Super Cache is a free caching plugin for WordPress. So that was it. Thumbs if you liked the video and subs if you loved it. Thanks for watching.